What do you think, man?
Oh yeah.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
So like I turn this way, so when I'm looking at you, like you can tell that I'm looking at you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I can see my.
It's not looking like way over there.
No, it's like clear on there.
Clear on you.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, see, it's like, it's uncomfortable on the head, but, you know, try it out, you know?
Yeah. It'd be good for live streams if you did it that way.
Well, that's what I was thinking about it, but then I'd have to, like, you'd have to be, like, looking at me.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get the pressure tester hooked up. Yeah, like I said, it's kind of heavy on my head. Certainly a GoPro would probably be the way to go, but I'm a broke Joe. I don't have a GoPro. All right, so we're gonna disconnect this little setup here so we can get into the return lines, because I was getting too close to the thingy there. Anyway, as I was saying, the returns are leaking. We found the leak. So Mason's finishing the digging on it. I'm gonna get the pressure tester hooked up so that we can pressure test everything as well. So we got the Anderson set up. One of these unions should fit in there. Probably not the big one. It's probably gonna be one of these two, I hope. Maybe not, maybe it was the big one. Swell it up a little bit, see? Yeah, there we go. There we go, that's the one. Size 45. Oh, maybe not. Let's try this again, dry it up a little bit. If not, it'll be a size 50. In which case I'll have to change my connections over. Alright, let's shove that in as far as it'll go. Go nice and slow. Move this out of my way. It's preventing from good rotation. There we go. I think that's got it now. Okay. If it pops, it pops. We'll fix it, but hook this up. Then I'll hook my air up. And Mason's probably gonna yell and scream because he's gonna, whatever that is leaking is gonna be leaking all over him in a minute. And he's in that hole. We'll see. All right, it's gonna get loud. All right, so we hook our. So now we're gonna just slowly. Hey, buddy, I'm putting air in, so. So obviously I shut it off. It loses right away. So we know we got a leak. We already knew that. So let's see if I can try to feather the pressure so I can kind of go over. Buddy, you getting action? How about any bubbling in our plugs? No. Yeah, but how about our plugs? Here, buddy. Just try to feather the pressure at 15 pounds so I can go look at what's going on underneath the pool there. Let's see if we can get the camera under there as well. Maybe we'll take a look at it upside down here. Oh, yeah. You see that? I see it. So we're almost there. We're almost there on the digging. Hey, buddy. I told him to shut it down. We got confirmation. Yeah. It's not that I didn't trust you. I just wanted to get it with my own camera eyes.
Yeah, it's fun.
Is it still getting you?
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah, when you look back, you'll see it looks good.
Like when I look at the footage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like still and like it doesn't look like wobbly or anything.
Nice. I'm getting used to it.
Yeah.
I'm getting used to it. So it looks like we're almost there with the digging, buddy.
Yeah, we're almost there.
But we definitely have, so we'll, yeah, exactly. Yeah. All right, so let's just disconnect. Let's let all the air out. And we'll just go back. We'll finish digging. Probably gonna shut the, probably shut this little helmet cam off for this round. Maybe I'll kick it back on a little bit later. We definitely made a mess of the patio. It'd be good of us to just stay on this side and hopefully find a hose before we leave and clean it. But the helmet can's approved by Mason, so that's good.
Yeah,
I like it too. But can you hit the stop button on it for me?
I don't know, is that working?